Welcome to a day in the life at a smart factory. My name is Alejandro Avila, and I'm the Inventory and Flow Supervisor for Schneider Electric factory in Lexington, Kentucky. Here, we are a very vertical integrated manufacturing facility making Schneider Electric load centers and safety switches. As Inventory and Flow Supervisor, I lead the upstream and downstream controllers with the supply chain department and manage the inventory levels by analyzing both scheduling needs and the upstream inputs. Let me tell you about the smart factory technology I use every day. One that is very helpful is Rapid Response from Kinaxis. This platform gives me the visibility into our supply and demand relationships. It keeps me informed with alerts related to possible shortage that could affect our revenue. I also use SAP every day. This is an ERP system that helps me to control the replenishment of our components to make sure that they are here on time, as well to ensure our inventory levels are accurate and up to date. One thing that I love about my job is that we produce quality products. When I'm out in my daily life and I see something that was made at our factory, it gives me a great sense of pride. And that's a day in the life at a smart factory for the Inventory and Flow Supervisor.